Hi, we're looking at one particular question here with matrices and transformations. They go hand in hand. On the right hand side here, I have some notes with matrices and transformations. So it tells you how, if we look at the one to the far right, it tells you what the matrix is for reflection in the x-axis, reflection in the y-axis, reflection y equals x, reflection y equals y equals minus x, and reflection about the origin. In the picture next to that, which is in the middle, it shows you the identity matrix. When you multiply by the identity matrix, your values for your x and y coordinates don't change. For reflection of the x-axis, so they have the matrix there, like on the far right, but it goes into a little more detail and says when multiplying by this matrix, the x-coordinate remains unchanged, and the y-coordinate changes sign. And then reflection in the y-axis, it says when multiplying by this matrix, the y-coordinate remains unchanged and the x-coordinate changes sign. When we do a rotation of 180 degrees, when multiplied by this matrix, the point matrix is rotated 180 degrees around the origin. This changes the sign of both the x and y coordinates. So let's look at our question here. We have the point A, 3, 5 is mapped onto A prime, its image 3, negative 5, by a transformation represented by the matrix T. The matrix T could be, now if we look at our original point A, 3, 5, is mapped onto A prime, 3, negative 5. The x value remains unchanged, and then the y value at 5, the sign changes. So from our notes, that clearly tells us that is for this one here, right? Reflection in the x-axis, where the x-coordinate remains unchanged and the y-coordinate changes sign. So, and that will be in our answers. D is our answer, right? So very simple. Pause and look at the notes if you need to. They're very handy notes to remember. And this is one particular multiple choice type question with matrices and transformations.